About 10 million animals go missing in the United States every year, and it isn't pretty. Think about that number for a moment. 10 million families left wandering, searching, and hoping. What's even more heartbreaking is that in 2024, studies show that 37% of lost dogs and nearly half, 48% of lost cats, never make it back home. That's not just a number. It's millions of pets, millions of families, and millions of stories that end in heartbreak. This issue feels especially close to us because some of our own team members are pet owners. We know firsthand how much love, care, and companionship a pet brings into a household. And we also know that despite our best efforts, the risk of losing them is always there. That fear, that sudden moment when the pet slips out the door or wanders too far, can happen to any of us. That reality was a turning point. It made us realize that current situations aren't enough. Posters fade, social media posts are buried, microchips only work if someone actually finds a pet and scans it. Too many gaps remain. Something has to be done, and that's where our project comes in, which brings us to our app. A platform designed to use AI, community power, and real-time technology to make sure fewer pets come statistics, and more pets make it back home where they belong.
What makes our solution better? First, it allows for major cooperation instead of relying on a few people hanging posters or one family posting online. Our app brings together entire communities, neighbors, shelters, and even passerbys who happen to spot a stray. Everyone can work together in one unified system. Second, the problem is now in better hands. Rather than outdated methods like word of mouth, the search is guided by technology, such as AI photo recognition, real-time alerts, and a centralized network designed specifically for lost pets. This means faster matches, quicker responses, and higher chances of reunion. Third, our system works similarly to the Amber Alert for missing children, which has proven to be extremely effective. When a pet goes missing, our app issues alerts to nearby users and organizations, creating a coordinated search effort immediately. Finally, our solution is far more simplistic than traditional methods. No more scattering posts across different websites, taping flyers on poles, or even waiting for someone to stumble upon your pet. Instead, everything is streamlined into one app that makes reporting, tracking, and responding fast and user-friendly. In short, our approach takes a fragmented, stressful process and transforms it into a cooperative, efficient, and technology-driven system, giving pets a far greater chance of finding their way home.
Some key features in our apps include: first, locate other pets. Our app does not just help you find your own pet, it helps the entire community. Using AI, it automatically identifies and lists similar pets in your area. This way, if someone else's dog or cat goes missing nearby, you can also play a role in reuniting them. It transforms pet recovery from an individual struggle into a shared mission where everyone can contribute. Second, it uploads your pet's photos. Every pet is unique, and our app recognizes that. Owners can upload multiple photos of their pets, capturing different angles, code patterns, and markings. These images are then analyzed by our AI system to create a detailed digital profile of the pet. It ensures that even if a photo or found animal isn't perfect, blurry, far away, or partially obscured, the app can still make accurate matches. Third, analyze and model your pet. Behind the scenes, our AI doesn't just store photos, it builds a visual model of each pet. This model focuses on distinguishing features like fur color, size, shape, and unique markings. By leveraging this trained model, the AI app can scan, upload found pet images, and predict with high confidence whether it's a potential match. This makes the identification process far faster and more reliable than human memory or guesswork. Fourth, community assistance. The heart of our app lies in humanity and cooperation. Every user is not just a pet owner, they are also a potential rescuer. By sharing alerts, responding to signlines, and verifying matches, users help one another. It's a digital place where technology meets compassion and where people come together with one goal: to bring pets back home safely.
In our app, we use various technologies for our front-end, back-end, and for API communication. For our front-end, we used React, JavaScript, and JSX for our core framework. This allowed us to build our basic UI structure with things such as buttons or text boxes. Next, we use CSS3 for styling. This helped make our app more visually appealing. And we also use Canvas API for the image cropping, which allowed our image recognition to be even more accurate. For our backend, we use Sharp as our image recognition tool. We chose this tool since we found it was very reliable and good at matching pets. We also use Node.js for our core backend language, and MongoDB and Mongoose for our database. We also use .env for variable management and Cursor as a development tool. For API communication, we use Fetch API and JSON. This allowed us to send requests from our front end to the back end, which allowed us to make connections. Here's a demo of the Animal Forum app. Our app has 4 main buttons: the Report Missing Pet, Report Found Pet, View Gallery, and the Find Matches buttons. Our first feature is the Report Missing Pet feature. Here, you would make a report on your missing pet so that our app can help you find and reunite you with that pet. The first step is to upload an image of that pet. For example, here I would upload an image of a white dog. This feature automatically crops out unnecessary background so that our image recognition can be more accurate. Next, you would fill out some essential information such as the pet's name, lasting location, and other descriptions so that our app can better and more accurately help you find your pet. Next, you would click the Find Missing Pet button. After that, it would automatically find pets that are very similar to your own. For example, it found 2 white dogs that are quite similar in image and descriptions. Our next feature is the Report Found Pet feature. Here, you would report that you found a pet instead of reporting a missing pet. It works the exact same way as the Missing Pet feature, except it might have some different information such as where is the pet now. Next feature is the View Gallery feature. Here, you can see a gallery of all the missing pets. Next is the Find Matches feature. This is a general Find Matches feature where you can click on a pet and it will automatically give you similar pets. For example, if I click on this found pet, it gives me 3 matches of other similar pets.
Looking ahead, the future with our app is full of hope for pets, for owners, and for communities. Number 1, more happy reunions. With the app in place, more and more owners who've lost their pets can be reunited quickly and safely. Imagine the relief and joy when a worried family can find their furry friend in hours instead of days, or worse, never. Ending that anxiety is priceless. Number 2, fewer missing pets annually. As more and more people use the app and proactive measures like geofencing alerts are adopted, the number of missing pets each year can drop. A decrease in lost pets not only benefits families but also fosters a more positive and responsible attitude nationally toward pet ownership. Number 3, more pets saved. Every pet returned safely is a life saved. By helping others locate pets faster and reducing the time animals spend lost or in shelters, our app can directly contribute to reducing unnecessary deaths and improving overall animal welfare. This means happier pets, happier owners, and a more compassionate society. In summary, our app is not just a tool. It's a bridge between lost pets and the families who love them. It combines technology, community, and care to create a safer, happier world for animals and humans alike. With this solution, the future looks brighter for every tail wag, every purr, and every reunion waiting to happen.